Ever wondered how to achieve your fitness goals without stepping into the gym? Well, you're not alone. For many of us, finding the time and motivation to hit the gym can be a real challenge. Our daily lives are packed to the brim with commitments, from work and family to social engagements and personal pursuits. Amidst all the hustle and bustle, maintaining a consistent fitness routine often feels like an uphill battle. Take the commute to the gym, for instance. It's a time-consuming process that can easily eat up an hour or more of your day. And once you're there, the crowded environment or lack of privacy can deter even the most dedicated fitness enthusiasts. Not to mention, gym memberships can put a significant dent in your wallet, especially if you're not using them regularly. So what's the solution? How can we stay fit and healthy when our schedules are tight and gym access is limited or non-existent? The answer lies in home workouts. Yes, you heard it right. Working out from the comfort of your own home can be an effective way to maintain your fitness, with several key advantages. First and foremost, home workouts offer a flexibility that can seamlessly fit into your schedule. Whether you're an early bird who loves to start the day with a workout or a night owl who prefers to wind down with some exercise, you can set your workout routine as per your convenience. Secondly, working out at home provides you with the privacy you need. You can experiment with new exercises, push your limits, and make mistakes without the fear of being judged. Lastly, home workouts are cost-effective. No expensive gym memberships, no fancy equipment. All you need is your body, your dedication, and a little bit of space. Today, we'll explore an ultimate home workout routine that requires no equipment, yet promises to deliver the results you desire. So, buckle up and get ready to transform your fitness journey right from the comfort of your home. Before diving into the workout routine, remember the golden rule: always warm up. Warming up is not just a prelude to your workout, it's an essential part of it. It's like revving up your car's engine on a chilly morning. You wouldn't just jump in and hit the highway at top speed, right? You let it warm up first. Your body is no different. Why do we warm up, you might ask? Well, it's all about preparing your body for the physical exertion that's about to come. It's about gently waking up your muscles and telling them, hey, we're about to do something spectacular here, so get ready. It's about increasing your heart rate, improving circulation, and most importantly, reducing the risk of injury. Now let's talk about what a good warm-up looks like. It doesn't have to be complex or time-consuming. In fact, it can be as simple as 4 exercises: jogging in place, jumping jacks, arm circles, and leg swings. Start with jogging in place. This is an excellent way to get your heart rate up and your blood pumping. Just lift your knees high and pump your arms, and do this for about a minute. Next up, jumping jacks. This classic move not only warms up your entire body, but also improves your agility. Just make sure to land softly, protecting your knees from any undue stress. Then we have arm circles. This is an excellent exercise for warming up your shoulders and upper body. Start with small circles and gradually make them larger. Finally, leg swings. This exercise is perfect for warming up your lower body, particularly your hips and hamstrings. Stand next to a wall for support if needed, and swing your leg back and forth in a controlled motion. These 4 exercises together should take you no more than 5 minutes. The key is to perform them at a steady pace. Not too fast, not too slow, but just right to get that heart rate up and those muscles warmed up. With our muscles now warmed up and ready, we can dive into the workout. Now, brace yourself for the ultimate home workout routine, a routine that's designed to make you sweat, burn calories, and build strength, all from the comfort of your home. No gym, no equipment, no problem. Let's get started. First up, we have squats. Squats are a fantastic way to work your entire lower body. They target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while also engaging your core and lower back. To perform a squat, stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up, shoulders back, and look straight ahead. Now bend your knees, push your hips back as if you're about to sit on a chair. Go down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Pause for a second, and then push through your heels to stand up. Repeat this movement for a set of 15 to 20 repetitions. Now let's move on to push-ups. Push-ups are the ultimate upper body exercise. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. To perform a push-up, start in a high plank position. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight from your head to your toes. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor. Pause for a second, then push yourself back up. If you find this difficult, you can start with knee push-ups. Do 2 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions. Next in line are lunges. Lunges are excellent for working your legs and glutes, and they also help improve balance. To do a lunge, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Step forward with your right foot, lowering your body until your right knee is bent at a 90-degree angle and your left knee is hovering just above the floor. Push back up to the starting position and repeat with your left leg. Aim for 2 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions on each leg. Let's move on to planks. Planks are a fantastic core exercise. They strengthen your abs, obliques, and lower back. To do a plank, start in a push-up position, but rest your weight on your forearms instead of your hands. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. If you find this too challenging, you can modify the plank by dropping your knees to the floor. Last but not least, we have sit-ups. Sit-ups target your abs and help improve core strength. To perform a sit-up, lie down on your back. Bend your legs and place your feet firmly on the ground. Place your hands behind your head, but don't pull on your neck. Lift your upper body towards your knees. Pause at the top, then slowly lower yourself back down. Aim for 2 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. That's it. That's your ultimate home workout routine. It's simple, effective, and best of all, you can do it anywhere, anytime. Remember to start slow, listen to your body, and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. And here's a pro tip. Always keep your form in check. It's better to do fewer reps with good form than more reps with poor form. Good form ensures you're targeting the right muscles and reduces the risk of injury. Also, don't forget to hydrate. Drinking water before, during, and after your workout helps keep your energy levels up and aids in recovery. And finally, remember to have fun. Working out shouldn't feel like a chore. Find ways to make it enjoyable. Play some upbeat music, work out with a friend, or challenge yourself with new goals. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to this routine and you'll see results in no time. To maximize the benefits of this routine, here are some key tips. Fitness isn't just about the exercises you perform, it's also about how you perform them. One of the most crucial aspects of any workout routine, especially while working out at home, is maintaining proper form. This is not only to ensure that you're targeting the right muscles, but also to prevent any potential injuries. When you're lifting a weight or doing a push-up, make sure your posture is correct. Your back should be straight, your shoulders back, and your core engaged. It's easy to cheat and let your form slip, especially when you're tired, but that's when it's the most important to keep it in check. Keeping a consistent schedule is another vital tip for effective home workouts. It's easy to let things slide when there's no one to hold you accountable. But remember, consistency is key. Make a workout schedule that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Whether it's first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or in the evening, find a time that works for you and make it non-negotiable. Hydration is often overlooked, but is a crucial part of any fitness routine. When we exercise, we lose water through sweat, and it's essential to replace it. Without enough water, your body can't perform at its best. You might feel fatigued, have muscle cramps, or experience dizziness. So make sure to stay hydrated before, during, and after your workout. It's not just about chugging a bottle of water right before you start exercising. It's about consistent hydration throughout the day. And while we're on the topic of listening to your body, let's talk about rest. Rest is just as important as the workout itself. It's during rest periods that your body repairs and builds new muscle tissue. So ensure you're giving your body ample time to recover between workouts. It's okay to have rest days. In fact, they're necessary. Another tip is to use your body's signals as a guide. If you're feeling pain during an exercise, that's your body telling you something isn't right. Don't ignore it. Instead, modify the exercise or switch to a different one. Remember, pain and discomfort are not the same. It's normal to feel discomfort, especially when you're pushing your limits, but pain is a red flag. Lastly, don't forget to fuel your body. Your body needs the right nutrients to perform at its best and recover after a workout. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. And don't neglect your post-workout meal. It's crucial to replenish your glycogen stores and provide your muscles with the protein they need to repair and grow. These tips are not just about making your workouts more effective. They're about ensuring you stay safe and healthy. They're about making sure your fitness journey is a sustainable one. So, remember to maintain proper form, keep a consistent schedule, stay hydrated, listen to your body's signals, rest when needed, and fuel your body with the right nutrients. By following these tips, you'll not only stay safe, but also make your workouts more effective. Just as warming up prepares your body for a workout, cooling down helps in recovery. Now that we've covered the workout, let's talk about something equally vital, the cool down phase. Many overlook this phase, but it's an integral part of any fitness routine. Think of your body as a car. After a long drive, you wouldn't just turn off the engine abruptly, would you? You'd let it idle for a bit, allowing it to cool down. The same principle applies to your body after a workout. Cooling down gradually brings your heart rate and body temperature down. It also helps prevent blood from pooling in your limbs, which could lead to dizziness or fainting. So, what does a good cool down look like? It should ideally take around 10 to 15 minutes and involve a mix of light cardio and stretching exercises. Let's start with some light cardio. This could be as simple as a brisk walk or a slow jog. The aim here is to gradually lower your heart rate. Do this for about 5 minutes until you feel your heart rate slowing down. Next, we move on to stretching. Stretching after a workout helps improve flexibility and reduces muscle tension. It's also a great way to relax both your body and mind. Remember to stretch all major muscle groups that were involved in your workout. Hold each stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds. Don't bounce or strain. The stretch should feel comfortable, not painful. Lastly, let's not forget about deep breathing. Deep, controlled breaths can help lower your heart rate and blood pressure. Try to inhale and exhale slowly, focusing on your breath. This also helps you to relax and wind down after your workout. Incorporating a cool-down routine into your workouts can make a world of difference. It aids in recovery, reduces muscle soreness, and prepares your body for your next workout. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's about taking care of your body and listening to its needs. And cooling down is an essential part of that. A proper cool down will help your body recover faster and reduce muscle soreness. Now that you have the ultimate home workout routine, what's next? The answer is simple, yet profound. It's about making this routine a part of your daily life. It's about embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes physical wellness, no matter how busy or demanding your schedule may be. Why is this so crucial? Well, think of it this way. You wouldn't expect to master a new language or a musical instrument by practicing sporadically, would you? Fitness operates on the same principle. Consistency is key. It's about showing up for yourself day in and day out, even when it's challenging, even when you'd rather do anything else. But let's also talk about setting realistic fitness goals. It's important to remember that Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your dream physique. It's far more effective, healthier, and mentally sustainable to aim for steady, incremental progress rather than drastic overnight transformations. Set goals that challenge you, but also ones that are achievable and measurable. Maybe it's doing 10 push-ups without stopping or holding a plank for a full minute. Maybe it's just about feeling stronger, more energetic, and more confident in your own skin. These are all worthy goals, and they're all within your reach. And remember, it's okay to stumble. It's okay to have off days. What's most important is that you get back up, dust yourself off, and keep going. Fitness isn't a linear journey, and it's certainly not a race. It's a lifelong commitment to yourself, to your health, and to your well-being. Now let's talk about motivation. Staying motivated can be one of the biggest challenges on your fitness journey. But think of it this way. Every time you show up for your workout, you're not just building muscle or burning calories. You're also building discipline. You're building mental toughness. You're proving to yourself over and over again that you can do hard things, that you can overcome obstacles, that you can stick to a commitment even when it's difficult. And that's powerful. That's something that will spill over into every other area of your life, making you not just physically stronger, but mentally and emotionally stronger too. So as you move forward on your fitness journey, remember this: embrace the process. Celebrate your progress, however small. Don't compare your journey to anyone else's, because this is your journey and it's unique to you. Be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Fitness isn't just about the destination, the perfect body, the perfect weight, the perfect measurements. It's about the journey. It's about the transformation. It's about the person you become along the way. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and embrace the transformation. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.